Okay, in the previous video we covered what Fiber Plus is and general information about its costs, etc. Now we're going to talk about just how to qualify a site for it. So the first place we always recommend going to is CarrierFinder. So CarrierFinder is your best friend for figuring out what is where, what services are where, because that is the key to selling these days. Everybody wants fiber. Just remember that. So what we're going to do now is show how we can search. I'm going to put in our address, our Bellevue address for CTG3, 15821. And first thing you're going to notice is it's going to start popping up addresses that it's finding out of a huge database that we have. And one thing you want to pay attention to is that if it's on here, then it can be a good thing, okay, because there's going to be potentially a lot of choices to pick from. Matter of fact, if I put a building on like 2001 6th Avenue, you're going to see there's all kinds of things that are popping up on that, and you'll find out who is on it on the next screen. So I'm going to go back to my other example here, and I'm going to select a Bellevue location. I'm going to press submit. So right now the system is looking up to see who the local telco is, who the local cable co is, and a new thing we've got in here is that we now pop up a little message box that says, good news, we found one match in our lit building database. View the lit building report for more information. So now what I do is I'm going to scroll down to the lit building report, and I'm going to click on the link for that. So right now it's doing what's called a geospatial query to search for nearby addresses. And we'll take a look here. It pinpoints them on a map. And when we click on the details, we see the original address. I'm actually going to put my highlighter down here, which is in green. And then we see that there is an address that popped up here that's 0 feet away. So that's also in green. And it pops up with the Fiber Plus icon, the spinning icon. Also tells us that the technology that will be used to reach that is GPON. That's Gigabit Passive Optical Network. If you need to get some training on this particular product, you simply click on the link here, and this will take you to our blog at ctg3.com, and you can scroll down, and lo and behold, another video pops up. So you can then watch a video about how to use this. And of course, you may have just watched that video and now are on this video. So that's the basics right there. Let's see. Yep. Again. There you go. Very simple. And I really think that you should use this if you come up with a building that is on this list, and unless you're competing with somebody who's proposing the same thing, you're probably going to win the deal. So make sure you watch that instructional video and you put these two things together, and away you go.